Hey guys, it's about time for a little update up here at the house project. First I'll show you this. I did some sanding on the truck, sanded out all the orange peel and the drips that everybody always tells me about at car shows, and primed all the spots I broke through to bare metal. And actually, I've been getting a lot of good feedback at the cruise nights and stuff, so I might leave it like this for now. And I probably will leave it. It's nice patina. And also, here's some wheels I picked up a few weeks ago. These are 20-inch Ultra wheels. Look really good on here. Kind of going with the shop truck look. I might put a logo on the door or something, but I'm really liking it. Looks a lot better than the crappy paint job that was on it. Everything's smooth now, which I'm happy about. Everybody now is asking me if it's original paint instead of asking me why the paint looks so bad. So there's that. I hear a two-stroke over there somewhere. And here's a trailer that I picked up recently. It's, somebody kind of threw this together to haul a dirt car. Added some channels on the side for the wide tires, and I'm going to take those off. I'm going to paint the frame, and I'm going to put wood all the way across, make it look nice. Put a header up front and build ramps for it. It's about 16 feet long, but pretty nice trailer. You know, it's just ugly, but I'm gonna make it look nice. And that's that. So, moving on to the house here. A lot has been done since the last video. Finished taking the old plaster ceiling out. See it nice and clean now. The bedroom and the living room. And that's what is sitting out here, all the old plaster and stuff. But yeah, that's that. We got the my grandfather came over a couple weekends ago, and we got a lot done on the wiring. So that's coming along nicely. There's the breaker box. That's going to be under the stairs here. There's going to be a nice little room here for the utilities. Keep it out of the wet basement. Keep everything out of there. So got most of the wires run for the heaters. Everything's going to be baseboard heat. Got a lot of the new outlet boxes in. And this room's pretty much all wired. Everything's set in here. Living room's pretty much done. Just needs a wire for the heaters in this room, little room over here, which I might do that today. Got some wood there to build a little closet right here for the bedroom, and then this is going to be the doorway for the utility room here. I already cut that out there yesterday. And this was the old stairway to the basement. I just finished that up. I put some joist holder thingies, whatever you want to call it. I did 4 of them across and 2x4s. Screwed it in. It's really solid now. And then I'm gonna put plywood over the top, because I'm not gonna be using that. There's an outside entrance. And then what else did I do yesterday? I moved this doorway up higher, knocked it out, it came down to here. Knocked that out, moved it up higher to open things up a little bit. Looks a lot better. And I'm cleaning up. I gotta pull all the nails out. Already got the kitchen all done. All the nails are pulled out of here, and it's looking good. There's the generator I bought a few weeks ago. That's been a real help lately because I had the power turned off. You can see I got a bunch of wiring done in here as well. Still got to wire lights and stuff and the heaters. There's some wood right there for the ceiling in here because the ceiling's kind of crooked like that. So we're gonna run the 2x4s across and level it out, kind of like a drop ceiling type of thing, but it's gonna be nice and solid, and that'll be a nice level looking ceiling. And bathroom is all set for now. I did this last year, but it's usable now. And I put a door on here, but like a dummy, I got the wrong size door, so it's temporary. I put a little strip right here. I was supposed to get a 29-inch door. I got a 28-inch door. Put a little strip right here, so that works for now. I'm going to use that door probably for the closet here, or that room. So, and that's about it. I'm working on. Oh, actually, one more thing. I'm filling in all these holes for the forced hot air because won't be using that anymore. That hole's filled. That hole's filled. There was a hole right there filled. And I gotta do that one. I just got done cleaning this up, cleaning all the old subflooring or whatever out of there. Fill that one in. And today I'm gonna work on running some 2x4s up here, under here, because they didn't put anything under here when they chopped this all out. So I'm gonna do that, make it nice and solid. And that's it. And then this room is still the same. This is gonna be like the last one. And the upstairs is still the same too. Haven't touched this room or the upstairs. Got the old lathe. Winter project. I want to start messing with this when winter comes around. I took the belt off, and motor is spins freely, so I think the motor might be good. I'm gonna try to use that. This is locked solid. I gotta free that up, and really that's it. I'm probably gonna take some stuff apart on here and clean out the goo in there and get it all cleaned up. And I'm not gonna restore this thing. I like the look of old machinery like this. I'm just gonna get it fully functional and keep it well oiled. I'm not gonna paint anything. I'm just gonna leave it in its nice patina looking state and use it. And everything really moves pretty nice on this thing, so I'm gonna wire it up, put new wires on it. Not a whole lot of work to get this thing going. I gotta find a table for it with wheels or build one, but I haven't got my garage up yet because the weather has been a lot of rain and haven't been able to put down any concrete. So, but it's gonna go right there eventually, and then I'm gonna move all this stuff out there, or most of it, the tools. Have a nice little workbench out there. Anyway, this video is getting kind of long, so I'm gonna try to wrap it up here. I'm thinking if there's anything else I forgot to mention. This ceiling is really nice. Somebody did a good job with it, so that's gonna stay up. Not touching that. Well, yeah, I better get to work here and get something done this weekend. Got some floor leveler for filling in some holes. That's it. So, till next time, guys. I'll hopefully next time have everything wired up and maybe some installation going in. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So, until next time, guys. See ya.